Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing this sleek bun look. I've been obsessed with doing this look on second or third day hair. Keep in mind that I have a lot of broken hairs at the top of my head, which is why it took me a while to master, because I felt like those hairs were very hard to tame down. Also, I do have tape and extensions, so that was another challenge for me while doing this hairstyle, because the tape and extensions can add some bumps in your head. They can kind of peek through and show through sometimes. I'm gonna show you guys all my tips and tricks that I've learned while testing out this hairstyle, and I hope you guys like it. Alright, so starting off, I have my second day hair. I suffer from a lot of broken hairs right here. I don't know if you guys can see them right now, but I usually have a lot of broken hairs, so there's no way that I can do this hairstyle from day one. Before actually I started filming, I straightened my roots. So if you guys can see here, I actually have curly hair, so my roots get quite curly, so I just straighten them right here. To start off, I'm going to be using a pomade on my hair. This is going to help it just kind of sleek down and be very stuck to my head. Does this focus? Yes. What I love about this pomade is that it's matte. That's what's amazing about it. I take a good amount of this. I would say like maybe this much. Just kind of rub it through my fingers. Rub, rub, rub. You gotta warm it up first. Okay. And then just put it through my roots. Perfect. Just get it going in there. The places that really don't stick. Because I have tape and extensions, I actually have to brush my hair with the wet brush. This is really good because it doesn't really mess with my extensions or get stuck in them. So I'm just gonna brush through right now. Oh, I forgot a step. This brush is essential. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the tip of it right now, this, so that I can make a middle part right through my hair. As I said, you guys are going to be tying your hair several times throughout this hairstyle, because you gotta tie it and then sleek it down and then take it out and tie it again. So you can see that it's already like really sleek down just from that pomade. So good. Okay, so this is basically gonna be like my first time tying it. And obviously you don't have to put it in a bun. Like if you guys just want to do like a ponytail, you could just stick to the ponytail. You don't have to twist it into a bun later. The trick to all of this is a really good hair tie. If your hair tie doesn't hold your hair like, then it's not gonna work. You need a really good hair tie. So I think this is called a barber's brush. It's just like really dense, and it's really good to like get in there and just even more. You've really got to like press hard so that it can be pressed down. Once that is done, I'll take my hairspray right here. This hairspray is really good. I wouldn't say it's the best, even though it claims to be extra strong hold. I still wouldn't say this is like the best hairspray that I've ever used. A better one is the Tresemme. I find the Tresemme to really just hold everything in like really well. I love that one. Okay, so you take the hairspray and you just kind of start to spray the little pieces that I know for sure are gonna be coming out, like this. just like shorter pieces. I like to spray my broken hairs up top here, so just spray anything that you know is not really being pulled by the pomade. Now, a good tip for if you have tape-in extensions, obviously if you don't have tape-in extensions, then you can just go ahead and do this, no problem. But if you have tape-in extensions, you might notice that it's starting to show through a little bit at the bottom. So what I like to do is I like to take it and twist it and bring it under so that it's covering those little tapes. Alright, so once you've turned it into a bun, you're gonna notice that your bun is never gonna be perfectly exactly how you want it, which is why I actually like to use safety pins to hold down little bits like this that are flying out. Right here, this loop right here. We're gonna be fixing that right now. I really like these because they're actually kind of short, so they hold really well and they don't show. So I'll usually use quite a bit of these. So for example, this right here, I feel like it's kind of coming out. So I'll usually like to sleek it back and pin it down. I have little bits right here. I don't know if you can see them. So I'm gonna try to hairspray them down with this. Alright, so once I'm done with hairspraying, I like how it looks right now. I think it looks pretty cool. So I feel like when I do this hairstyle, I start to get gaps right here, like gaps right here especially. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get just an eyeshadow that's basically the same color as my hair, and I'm gonna go ahead and fill those in. I'm using the Jaclyn Hill palette, so I'm gonna use this color right here. Alright, so I'll take a dense brush that kind of looks like this and fill in where I need some help. So what I like to do is I'll actually take the brow gel and I'll brush through my hairline and any other pieces that might be flying around, because this will really get in there and just set it. It's amazing. It's perfect. Alright, that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I had so much fun filming it and I love this hairstyle. Now keep in mind that I only do a low bun because I have tape-in extensions, but you can totally do use the same exact techniques and do a high bun. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more videos, and I will see you next time.